Welcome students. In the history class, in the previous videos, we have learned about the Renaissance period. It means the rebirth or revival of art, literature and learning in Europe. Now today, we are learning one example from the field of art, that is Leonardo da Vinci. So he is recognized as an all-round personality of the period of Renaissance. So he was a very famous person, all-round personality during this period. He was well versed in different branches of science and art. Well versed means skilled. He was well skilled person in various branches of science and art. He had mastery over various subjects such as sculpture, architectures, mathematics, engineering, music and astronomy. So he created his mastery in this all subject, but he became well renowned as a painter. His painting of Mona Lisa and the Last Supper, you can see these two paintings became immortal, that is lasting forever. So with this example, just we come to know what type of changes took place in the Europe during this Renaissance period. Now let us turn to the next point, that is religious reform movement. It means what type of changes took place in the field of religion. So the independent intellectual attacked the old religious ideologies of Roman Catholic Church. It means these scholar person, they started to attack the old religious ideologies. Whatever ideas were there, thoughts were there, just these thoughts they started to oppose, which were not correct one. The Christians priests were taking advantages of the ignorance of the people and were indulged in unnecessary rituals. It means these priests from the church, they started to take the advantages of these illiterate people and they were indulged, they were fooling to the common people, they were looting to these common people because of this unnecessary rituals. What is rituals? It is religious activity. Yajna, home, these all. Okay. So just common people, they were busy with these all things to avoid the obstacles in their life. And through this religious activity, these priest people, they started to loot or to make the fool to these common people. They looted the people in the name of religion. And the movement that had begun against it is known as religious reform movement. Due to this movement, human freedom and rationalism gained more importance. It means nowadays or during this Renaissance period, they started to give more importance of human freedom and rationalism. What is rationalism? It means common people or these educated people, they started to think scientifically. So this change we can see took place during this Renaissance period. Next point, geographical discoveries. In 1453 AD, the Ottoman Turks conquered Constantinople, that is Istanbul, which was the capital of Byzantine Empire. And the overland trade route joining Asia and Europe went through this city. You can see whatever this Asian countries were there and European countries were there. So through this route or through this way, through this route, just they were trying to maintain their trade relationship. But since the Turk blocked this route. It means through which route they were trying to do the trade, that is this route, Constantinople, that is Istanbul. But this Turk blocked this route. It means now they were not giving permission for the trade. And there was a need of finding alternative trade routes for the European country to reach Asia. But this European country, they want to maintain their trade relations with the Asian countries, so they want to find new route. So this leads to a new phase of geographical discovery. So from this need only, they started to find new route for the trade purpose. So this lead to a new phase of geographical discoveries. So what type of geographical discoveries took place during this period? These all details we will learn in the next video. Okay, we are going to stop here. Goodbye everyone. Take care.